follow. Walk behind ate. Ate, walk slowly. Ate, walk slowly. Kuya, walk with ate. Come on. Faster. Keep up with ate. Don't forget to greet them good morning, ha? Eh, eh, eh. Magandang umaga po. Magandang umaga po. Walk to the shore, ate.
Here. Dad,
Uh-huh.
why we don't have swimsuits?
Because we're not gonna go swimming yet, kuya. Our activity today is land trip.
Here.
Okay, tomorrow is the
Let's
the
go.
diving. But